Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Plug in a charger if battery is below 20% and unlock the phone. Open Settings, go to Battery, then Battery Health and Charging to view maximum capacity and peak performance capability. Once there, enable optimized battery charging to slow chemical aging. This learns your routine and delays full charging. Next, cut heavy background tasks by disabling background app refresh and lower screen brightness, so the phone uses less power while you continue maintenance. Now you focus on mid-level optimizations that reduce stress on the battery. Enable low power mode to limit non-essential activity and extend runtime. Make sure location access is set to while using or off for most apps, and restrict background app refresh per app. Also update iOS to the latest stable release, because software updates often include power improvements. If you live stream or game, lower refresh rate and resolution if supported. These cuts significantly decrease power draw and heat generation. Finish by calibrating the battery about once a month. Charge to 100%, then use the phone until it shuts down and recharge uninterrupted to 100% again. This helps the system estimate capacity. Make sure the device stays between 0 degrees and 35 degrees C to prevent long-term damage, and remove heavy cases while fast charging to reduce heat. If you notice rapid capacity decline or unexpected shutdowns, run the built-in diagnostics in Settings or contact Apple support for a battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.